Today I am reviewing INNOCN 45-inch 5K2K Ultrawide Gaming Monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a monitor that can truly transform your gaming, work, and entertainment setup, the INNOCN 45-inch 5K2K Ultrawide Curved Monitor is one of the most impressive displays you can buy right now. It's not just a bigger screen. It's a monitor designed to replace dual setups, give you an immersive curved viewing experience, and deliver the kind of performance that gamers and professionals both dream about. Let's break down what makes this monitor stand out. Starting with the display itself, this monitor uses a 45-inch VA panel with a massive 5120 by 1440 resolution. That's essentially a dual 1440p monitor setup, but with no bezels in between. The 32:9 aspect ratio gives you a panoramic field of view, perfect for racing games, open-world adventures, or even multitasking with multiple apps side by side. The 1500R curvature wraps around your vision just enough to make everything feel natural and immersive, while also helping reduce eye strain compared to flat screens. Gamers will especially appreciate the 120Hz refresh rate paired with adaptive sync technology. This combination ensures smooth motion, reduced screen tearing, and quicker response times. With a 3-millisecond response time, the monitor handles fast-paced action beautifully, whether you're playing competitive shooters or just enjoying a cinematic single-player experience. Add in HDR400 certification, and you're getting brighter highlights, deeper contrast, and more vibrant colors. The panel also covers 99% of the sRGB color gamut, which makes it accurate enough for creative professionals who do photo and video editing. Now, let's talk about connectivity and convenience. This monitor is loaded with ports. You get 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, one DisplayPort 1.4, a USB-C port with 65-watt power delivery, 2 USB-A ports, a USB-B, an RJ45 Ethernet port, and even a headphone jack. That means you can connect your gaming console, your PC, your laptop, and even your phone or tablet all at once. With USB-C power delivery, you can plug in a laptop and have it charge while also driving the display, perfect for students and professionals who want a simple, clutter-free setup. One of the best productivity features here is PIP and PBP support, which stands for picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture. With these, you can have content from 2 devices displayed on the same screen. For example, you could have your gaming console on one half of the monitor and your laptop or desktop on the other. Or you could stream a video in one window while working on spreadsheets on the other side. This makes the INNOCN 45-inch a serious multitasking powerhouse. In terms of comfort and design, INNOCN includes a fully adjustable stand that lets you tilt, swivel, and adjust the height. Combined with the curved design, it means you can find the perfect viewing angle no matter where you're sitting. The matte finish helps cut down on glare, and the monitor also includes blue light filtering and flicker-free technology, both of which make long hours of work or gaming easier on the eyes. It even comes with built-in speakers, which are decent for casual use, though serious gamers or creators will probably still prefer external speakers or headphones. For productivity, the ultrawide format is a game changer. You can comfortably run 3 or even 4 applications side by side without ever needing a second display. If you're editing video, you'll love the extra timeline space. If you're working with spreadsheets, you'll see more columns without endless scrolling. And for content creators or streamers, having your game, chat, and recording software all visible at once is a huge advantage. Of course, no product is perfect, so let's quickly cover who this monitor is and isn't for. If you're mainly into competitive esports gaming where ultra-high refresh rates above 144 Hz or 240 Hz are a must, this monitor tops out at 120 Hz. That's more than enough for most gamers, but competitive players may want even faster. And while the built-in speakers are convenient, they won't replace a good headset or speaker setup. But for anyone who wants immersion, multitasking, and productivity in a single display, this monitor hits a sweet spot. To sum it up, the INNOCN 45-inch 5K2K Ultrawide Curved Monitor offers a brilliant mix of gaming performance, productivity tools, and immersive visuals. With its huge 5120 by 1440 resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR400 support, USB-C power delivery, PIP/PBP features, and ergonomic design, it's a true all-in-one solution for gamers, content creators, and professionals. Instead of juggling multiple monitors, this single display can handle it all. If you're ready to upgrade your setup and want a monitor that truly stands out, the INNOCN 45-inch is an excellent choice.